All right, finally got my phone to work to take a video. We're going to do a little demo here on how I got this Tiger Cat fixed. First off, everything's hooked up. Aileron, elevator, rudder,
Throttle cut off.
throttle,
Throttle cut on.
gear,
Gear up.
gear coming back down.
Gear down.
Okay, what's interesting is this thing has counter-rotating propellers, of course. And I put the props on without thinking where they were supposed to turn. Of course, Murphy's Law said they were on backwards, so I had to change that. Anyway, that should be the end of this, so I'll put it up on YouTube or Google Photos and send it your way.